What? Certified ravers. VIP, you know the vibe, you know the scene. What? Certified ravers. I see you watching. I can rave all night. Ouch. I can rave all day. Ouch. Just got paid. Jeez. I watch the champagne spray. Look how the gal them nice. Okay. Look how the gal them great. Aye. You know we 35. You know what I'm saying? Right. We don't feel no way. Okay. Watch it. We can rave to the early morning. We can rave to the early morning. Okay. Yo, we can rave to the early morning. Two more glasses and the champagne done. One more bottle and the gal them from certified ravers. Certified ravers. What? Certified ravers. Certified ravers. Yes, man. Certified ravers. Watch it now. One more time for you. VIP, you know the vibe, you know the scene. What? Certified ravers. VIP, you know the vibe, you know the scene. What? Certified ravers. Yeah, man. Watch it.
I don't dance with a bag of man beside me. I don't skank with a bag of man beside me. When bad man rave, there's not a bag of man beside me. Mellow face, they woman, she dress nicely. Come from she come in at the place and look good, she say, yeah. She have she own her money, you know, broke, say, yeah. She really figure wine and go down and say, yeah. She say she want bubble to the tune of the year. No, she no want skank with no waist, man. She
man.
Just a wine up, she waistline. Okay. We know the scene, we know the style. And we turn up the club, the covers certified. Idiot boy, see we and get paranoid. What? We fuck them girlfriend and make them sing lullabies. The bad man, I see we and them analyze. I see you.
Watch it. What? Certified ravers. You know, certified ravers. Certified ravers. Now, VIP, you know the vibe, you know the scene. What? Certified ravers. I want to hear you say it now. VIP, you know the vibe, you know the scene. You certified ravers. Yeah, man. Okay. Love. Skankers and vipers in the arena. Bomba. Anton P, I see you. Cash. Little London. Bomba. Yeah. Certified raver.